how to create a Facebook prepaid ad account to use for running your Instagram and your Facebook ads. Has your ad account ever been restricted because Facebook was not able to charge your debit card? Have you ever encountered problem running your ads because you have not been able to fund your ad account? It is going to be resolved in this video because I'm going to be telling you how to create a prepaid account so you can pay with your debit card. Now, what is a prepaid ad account? A prepaid ad account is an ad account whereby you pay for your ads upfront. Just as name implies, prepaid. You pay before you start running the ads. You fund your ad account with a certain amount before you start running the ads. Whereas a postpaid ad account is an ad account whereby you pay as you run the ads. Your debit card gets charged maybe 3 days or a week while your ad has already started running. And in this case, if Facebook is not able to charge your card, your ad accounts might get restricted. If you're using a postpaid ad account and you want to change to a prepaid ad account, then this video is for you. What's up guys, my name is Mary. If this is the first time you're coming across the channel, then make sure to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video like this one. And also make sure you like this video so more people who want to create a prepaid account can see it. Now I am going to be sharing my PC with you so you see step by step how to create a prepaid ad account, and make sure you watch this video to the end and do not skip any step. Now without further ado, let's dive right in.
So to get started, just go to business.facebook.com. It's loading. Now right here we're going to choose the business account I want to use. So now to create an ad account, all I have to do is go to settings down here, go to settings. Now look at all this. So I want to create another account, so I'm going to choose add account. Now as I've chosen ad accounts, I'll click on add. So here now I'm asked to add an ad account. So if you already have an ad account, we talked about this before when we talked about how to create how to add your ad account to your business manager account, or even how to add pages to your business manager account. So we talked about that earlier. If you want to catch up with the video, you can. The video is down. I tagged the video down in the description so you can go ahead and look at the video. But here now, what we are doing is we are creating a new ad account. We want to create a prepaid ad account, so we use to run ads. Okay, so all you have to do is to create a new ad account. So I'll click on create a new ad account. Then from here I'm going to choose an ad account name. Right now, this is where you choose the currency. Okay, time zone is Africa league because that's where I am right now. So the currency, so this is why I said a naira ad account. So if you want a different currency, you can just go to this drop down and search for anyone you want. You want dollar, Australian dollar. So me, I want to create a Nigerian ad account, so I'm going to choose Nigeria. So now click on next. Now you're asked, this ad account will be for what? Is it for another business or client, or is it for your business? So I just choose this for my business and then click on create people and set permissions. Who do I want to add into this ad account? So this is myself. If you don't have yourself, you can just search for one here. You can just search for your name here and add your name. So this is myself, so I'm going to give myself access. Okay, I'm going to give myself access to this ad account. So now I've checked this box. You have seen that this assign has turned blue, so you click on assign and account successfully created. So we have created an ad account. So right now we are going to add payment info. Okay, we have created this ad account and now we're going to add payment info, and it's from this payment info that we're going to know if I'm choosing a prepaid or a postpaid ad account. Okay, so now I'm going to click on add payment info. Now that I've added payment info, location and currency Nigeria, currency is Nigerian naira, time zone is Lagos. Click on next. Now this is where you choose if you are going to be using a postpaid or a prepaid. So if you want a prepaid ad account, this is where you choose PayU. Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa card, PayU. So you choose PayU. If you use this one, if you click on next, you know right now this one debit or credit card is checked, right? So if you click on next, it's gonna be a postpaid ad account. But if you click on this one, PayU, you are going to be having a prepaid ad account whereby you pay before you run the ads. Okay, so now click on next. Now you'll be asked for VAT ID. If you don't have, just click on skip, and then what amount you want to add, you can add any amount you want, then click on next. I don't want to add any fonts right now. So with this now, you're going to add your card number, so here you'll be asked to select a payment authentication method. So soft token option or hardware token option. Just choose soft token option and then click on generate token. When you click on this, you'll be sent a code in which you're going to put here, and then your card will be debited. All right, so you can use your Nigerian ATM card for this.
So that is it on how to create a Facebook prepaid ad account to use for running your ads. With this, you're not going to encounter problems paying for your ads anymore. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you haven't liked the video, make sure you do that right away, and also subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload another video.